Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the political environment, how the political environment have an impact on our business, and the social environment and the economical environment we have already discussed in the earlier videos. Now in this video we will talk about the political environment, how it have an impact on our business environment. So let us start. Political environment constitutes all the factors related to government affairs such as types of government in power, attitudes of government towards different groups of society, पॉलिसी चेंजेस इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट एक्सेट्रा. हर वो चीज़ जो गवर्नमेंट अफेयर से डील करती है वो होता है पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट. जो भी गवर्नमेंट अफेयर से डील करती है दैट कम्स अंडर द पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट. Political environment has a immediate and great impact on the business transaction. So the businessman must scan environment very carefully. Political environment का immediate effect होता है business के ऊपर, immediate असर होता है. So businessman को environment को scan करते हुए चलना चाहिए. If we take one example, if we talk about the policy of demonetization. Demonetization means you remember that when the government has banned 500 and 1000 notes from our society, मतलब नहीं चलेंगे. So being a businessman, what we will do? We will try to bring a new currency in place of 500 and 1000 notes. इनको हम निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे. अगर हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि पॉलिटिकल चेंजेस हुए हैं, कि नोट्स बंद होने वाले हैं, आज लास्ट डेट है ये नोट्स को यूज़ करने के लिए, तब हम क्या करेंगे? कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. इट विल बी ऑफ नो यूज़. सो वी should go according to the political changes in the environment. We should go through the changes which are going in the political environment. Next point is, if government order to impose the tax on a particular thing, if government has ordered that on a particular thing tax should be imposed, then what we will do? आपका मन हो या नहीं हो, आपको वो चीज़ पे टैक्स पे करना ही पड़ेगा. So this will also influence your business. Next is, the businessman has to make the changes in his organization according to the changing factor of the political environment. जितने भी political changes इन्वायरमेंट में होते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको बिजनेस में चेंजेस लाने पड़ेंगे. इफ़ यू वांट योर बिजनेस टू गो इन द लॉन्ग रन, देन यू हैव टू गो अकॉर्डिंग टू द चेंजेस विच आर गोइंग इन द पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट. If we talk about the next point, that is the political stability. Political stability means it encourages business enterprise to invest in the long term projects. Means if today is the government of BJP, tomorrow there will be the government of the Congress. So every party has their own policies, and then policy will changes according to the government. If the government will change, policy will also change according to the government. So if there is a stable government, अगर एक stable government होती है, then a business can do an investment in a long term. Then businessmen can try to invest for a long term. So the government should be stable. Unstable government also influences the business enterprise. Is government intervention in the business. Means if the government regularly interfere in the business, so you will not able to do the business properly. And if the government provide you some relaxation or flexibility in doing the business, so you can run your business smoothly in your own terms. So until and unless government intervention is required, if the government does not interfere in your business terms, you can do your business smoothly. This also influences your business. Next we talk about if the foreign policies of the government. Foreign policy means how is the relation of our government with the other nations. हमारे गवर्नमेंट के दूसरे नेशन के साथ कैसे रिश्ते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if we talk about the China, what is the relation of India with the China? You all know. And if we talk about the Pakistan, already we know that how India and Pakistan, how is the relation between the India and the Pakistan. If we do the business with these two countries, then what will happen? Suppose if our government anytime stop the import of the items from these countries, then what will happen? It will influence our business badly. So foreign policies of the government also influences our business environment. Now next is the values and ideology of political parties. means different political parties has different ideology. Every political party which is ruling in India or has already ruled, they will try to implement their own values because they have their own mission and vision which they try to implement. So basically, if the business enterprise see the ideology of the ruling party and can do the business accordingly, so it will have a less impact on the business enterprise. So all these are the political factors which influences the business. If the business do not trap these political changes regularly, then he has to suffer a great loss in the business. So these political environment can't be ignored for a smooth running of the business. So these were about the political parties. In the next video we will talk about the legal environment. So till then, take care. Bye.